Hi, Moms on the Go. Today in our cooking segment, we're gonna make some sweet potatoes or yams in the air fryer. So I have my basket here to put the sweet potatoes or yams in. I have my salt, and I have my olive oil, and then I have the 4 sweet potatoes or yam and a knife. So what you do is you wash them off first, which I already did. I washed them and dried them. And now I'm just stabbing them a little bit just to let them cook quicker. There. And stab them there. And then I'm going to spray them with olive oil, each one of them. So not a lot, just a little bit, just kind of coat them. They're really small, so they're not going to take very long to cook anyway. So then I take the salt, and I just put a little bit of the salt on there. Okay, so remember the salt that I'm using is kosher salt. And I just put it in a little container so I have to take out the box every time. So I season that with the kosher salt. Then I'm going to take my pan, and I have olive oil pan. And then I'm going to spray my basket. Okay, and then I'm going to take the sweet potatoes or yams, the sweet potatoes there. And I'm just going to set them inside. And then we're going to take this over to the air fryer, and we're going to put it into the air fryer. Okay, so I have my air fryer basket there. Put the basket, this little basket, inside of the air fryer. This is not the one that came with it. Actually, mine didn't come with the basket for whatever reason. So then I put that in the air fryer. Already preheated it. So I always preheat my air fryer. Press the start button, the selection. And I usually go over to the cupcake or cake button. And then I just increase it to 400, right? And then I press start. And then I'm going to increase the time to about 35 minutes, only because they're small. And then we'll check them after that. Normally, the sweet potatoes in the air fryer, I have it on there for 45 minutes. But this time I'm going to put 35 minutes because they are small. You don't have to go back and check it. You can do whatever you need to do in the kitchen, or you can make another part of your meal or whatever, then you can come back, so there's no need in checking on it, and it will be fine. Okay? See you when it's done. Okay, I'm back, and the timer went off, so they should be ready. Okay, so the timer went off, so they should be ready. Trying to push on them a little bit. Okay, so we're going to just take one of them out. Put it there. Let me scoop this over. I'm going to cut it open just so you can see how yummy. Ugh. Nice and flaky. Look at that. And soft. Look at that. Wonderful. And it's done. Check that out. Nice and hot and steamy. See how flaky and soft that is inside? So that's how you make yams in the air fryer. And they're wonderful. So all you have to do now is dress it up the way you want and start eating. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.